Next, we'll talk about proteins, which are also called the building blocks of the human body. At a chemical level, proteins contain carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, and oxygen. They also contain one or more chains of amino acids. Proteins are found in a variety of food items, but most commonly in non-vegetarian foods like chicken, fish, dairy products like milk, pulses, and even whole grains. Body tissues like hair and muscles are made up of proteins. Apart from that, the body uses proteins for several other purposes such as building and repairing the skin, tissues, and the bones. Fats are the third most important form of nutrients for the body. If I talk about the types of fats, then saturated, monounsaturated, and trans fats are the three most common types of fats. At the chemical level, fats are essentially organic compounds containing carbon and hydrogen. They are natural substances found under the skin or surrounding an organ. Excess energy in the body is stored in the form of fat. Fat sources include fish, nuts and seeds, plant-based oils, cheese, meat, milk, butter, cream, baked goods, and processed food. Function-wise, they have several roles, such as absorption of vitamins, improving brain function, improving the immune system, regulation of blood clotting hormones, protecting the body by cushioning the injury, helping maintain body temperature, and providing insulation. Since we've talked about the major macronutrients, let's shed some light on the essential minerals we derive from food. Essential minerals can be defined as those chemical elements which are required so that the body can function properly. Essential minerals can be majorly divided into two types, major and trace. Calcium, potassium, magnesium, iron, and zinc are some of the essential minerals required by the body. Now let's look at some of the major sources of these essential minerals. If I talk about calcium, then it's found in dairy products like milk and yogurt, almonds, pulses, seeds, and spinach. If I talk about iron, then it's found in apple, apricots, raisins, peas, eggs, and lean red meat. Coming to magnesium, this is found again in bananas, apricots, brown rice, wholemeal bread, milk, green leafy vegetables. If I talk about zinc, then it's found in brown rice, whole grain bread, cheese, lean red meat. Essential minerals have various functions like strengthening bones and teeth, maintaining nerve and muscle systems, regulating metabolism, producing energy, and maintaining the immune system. And finally, I'll talk about vitamins, which are essentially molecules required by the body in small quantities for maintaining bodily functions. If I talk about the types of vitamins, then they are essentially A, B, C, D, E, and K. Each type of vitamin has a specific function in the body. Best vitamin sources include citrus fruits, potatoes, eggs, milk, fatty fishes, carrots, mangoes, vegetable oils, chicken, whole grains. Vitamins perform numerous vital functions from maintaining proper vision and healthy skin to providing blood clotting in case of injury.